Today, I'm gonna be showing you guys how to clean any leather seat using our Blackline Reset Interior Cleaner. All right, so as you can tell, I am crammed into the back of this Tesla, and we have a super dirty seat being the center console seat. It's absolutely covered in dirt, so we're gonna be showing you guys how to clean it properly using our Reset Interior Cleaner. Here today, I do have the teakwood scent, but you guys obviously have 6 different scents to choose from. Next, we're also gonna be using our Blackline Ultra Soft brushes because they're super safe on all materials. So if you're deciding on a brush to choose to clean your interior, it's always the safe choice to go with the Ultra Soft brush. And I already know that the comments are gonna say, oh, it's a Tesla, these seats clean up super well, but everything that I'm gonna be doing in today's video, even though it is on a Tesla seat, is totally applicable for any leather seat. So let's go ahead and get to it. It's a super simple process. You're gonna need your brush, your microfiber, and obviously your scent choice of our Reset Scent Interior Cleaner. So we're simply gonna take it, a couple sprays here, right onto the dirty area, simply taking your ultra soft brush and gently agitating it in. And guys, this dirt has been here for probably a week. I've been procrastinating on cleaning it. So it's been here for a while, and look how easy that Reset just picks it up. And this is also with a soft brush, not even our Boar brush that usually provides a little bit more agitation. We're now going to simply take our microfiber and just wipe it off. Take a look at that. That is an insane difference. Obviously, we still got to wipe the other side. And now we're gonna go down with our second wipe, simply wiping this off. It does look like there is a little bit left behind. So we're gonna maybe go back, some more Reset, and then we're gonna grab a stiffer brush, being our Boar's hair brush. And this should be a lot better at picking it up, which I was 100% right. So if you guys do have a stronger, harder contamination like I did today, you might want to get the Boar's hair brush or even our Blackline leather brush. They're much better at picking up contaminants. That seat is now back to factory new, and it smells just like our teakwood scent of our Scent Interior Cleaner. And I'm gonna bet that scent's gonna last for a couple days, and I only cleaned one little portion of the seat. If I were to do the whole car, every bit of this car is gonna smell just like teakwood. So that is a simple process of how to clean your seats with our Reset Scent Interior Cleaner. Agitate with the correct brush depending on your contamination level. If it's more contaminated, use the Boar's hair brush. If it's a quick cleanup, just use the ultra soft brush to make sure that you don't damage anything. And lastly, obviously just wipe away with the microfiber, and your seat's gonna not only look good, but smell amazing. So if you guys wanna pick up a bottle of this interior cleaner, it's gonna be linked down below. You can grab it or go to blacklinekirker.com because we're always running promos on there. Go ahead and like, comment, subscribe, and check the links out down below.